Are you one of those people who keep scrap fabric in a shopper bag? Just look at it. It's so disorganized. You can't even find the fabric that you want to use. Or even in a handbag, look at all that dirt. That is so disgusting. It's just accumulating a lot of dust. It is just so crazy. Or even in a box, just look at all that scrap. So creased, so crumbed. Look at that sewing disc. It is so disorganized. How can you even work like that? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Tino and this is Today with Tino. Today we have a fun DIY project. We are going to be organizing some scrap fabric like a pro. I'm sure if you're like me and you're a crafter and you work with a lot of fabric, sometimes you just can't figure out how do we organize that scrap. Where is my scissors? Ah, ow. Ah. Honey, have you seen my scissors anyway?
Where was the last place you saw it?
It was on the table.
Did you check next to the thing?
It was on the table.
Yeah, it was on the table, so check next to the thing.
Ah, this is so frustrating. I'm about to lose both my eyebrows right now. Scrap is taking over a lot of people's lives. But today we are taking back our power. You're going to need a few items that you have in your home. So this is going to cost you close to zero. Just keep watching the video and I'll show you how. You are going to need an empty box. It can be a cereal box or any other box. 2 paper clips or dressing pins. Of course, that's scrap fabric. And a pair of scissors. Lay your fabric on a flat surface. Make sure it has even sides so you can decide to cut off the extra fabric like this, or you can choose to fold it instead if you do not want to waste too much fabric. Make sure that you flatten it out. You can use your hand or you can iron it out. Make sure you leave a 1/4 of an inch seam allowance on both sides of the fabric. Make sure that it's nice and flat. Take your cardboard and lay it right on top of the fabric. Measure your box using the width of the fabric. Cut the cardboard. Make sure you leave a further 1/4 inch distance between the edge of the fabric and the cardboard so that when you're folding it up, the cardboard is not visible. Do not put the cardboard right at the edge of the fabric. However, slide it to the side such that you are leaving about half the size of the board. Start rolling the fabric, making sure that it is nice and tight to avoid unraveling. When you have reached the other side of the fabric, make sure you fold it in so that the raw edges are inside the fabric. Make sure it is nice and flat and straight. Take your paper clip. Make sure you tuck in the edges properly. And clip as many layers of the fabric as you possibly can. Do the same for the other side of the fabric. And there you have it, looking neat. It doesn't unravel at all. So just repeat the same process with the rest of your fabrics. There is my scrap organized. I put them in this basket. I prefer it that way. It's nice and decorative. And I'm able to just pluck out the fabrics that I want to use on that particular project. I can easily see what I want and the colors I want, so it's pretty organized. Alternatively, you can put your fabric on a shelf according to the size of the fabric. If you want to know how to organize your shelves in a stylish way, make sure you watch my next video. I hope this video has been helpful. Do you have any other tips on how you organize your fabric? Please let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.